Hello, here's another look at this 1957 Raleigh. I think it certainly looks identical to the old Raleigh Sports, but I don't see any marking there on the frame on the down tube where you normally would see that. But perhaps it's just all worn away. Bike is all ready to put back together. So the nuts and bolts, that English chrome is so durable and prone to shining up again. A Raleigh reflector. Fenders, yeah, they've seen better days, but I went at them again and gave them some more waxing. Polished up the kickstand, really nicely set saddle, and the seat post is stamped Raleigh Industries, as is just about everything else. Chain guard's looking pretty good, no dings. The Raleigh pedals, you can still see quite a lot of the rubber has survived. A Reynolds chain came up beautifully. There's the brakes. It's a different brake lever from the normal Raleigh that I'm used to seeing. I did have to buy new grips. Well, they're not new, but replacement grips. The others had completely perished. That's more Raleigh Industries stuff on the handlebar and stem. Wheels, it's an SW hub, stamped 57.3, and there's the remaining transfers on the frame. So that's it. It's ready to get going again. I'm amazed at the old tires. They might be original Dunlops, are holding air, and it's Dunlop rims as well. That's it. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.